there. Yeah.
What?
Get them there.
Yes.
The three duck.
Chelsea, scoot up.
Hey, Cookie. Take Celeste on the flag. Go, Celeste. Go. Go. Yo, beat it.
Zion, play your side. What are we just
Finish
talking
it.
about, Zion?
Finish.
Go, Olivia. Down the line.
Go, Celeste.
Go, girl. Go.
Outside. Go out. Come to me. Got one touch. Wait, as soon as you make that turn, one touch across. All right?
Hey. Stay here.
Hey.
Stay in the middle.
Junior,
Stay in
move.
the middle. Zion, stay there. Come on. Hey, what are we looking?
Finish it.
Go, Zion. Down the line. Down the line, Zion. Go, Olivia.
Control. Let's go. Throw it in there.
Zion.
Go.
Go that way. When
There you go.
get the
Nice
ball,
throw in.
Junior, beat him. Beat him, Junior.
Go to it,
Ah.
Look at the ball, Junior.
Pass back. Take your time.
Control the ball. Go, Junior.
Dribble.
Look at the ball.
Get to it, Zion. Help her.
Back up, Blunt.
Get back.
Lucas, throw it in.
Quickly.
Lucas,
Come
throw
on,
it in.
Chelsea.
Junior, go up.
Push up, Olivia. Squeeze that way.
Yeah, go. Don't be afraid.
Go.
Go, Celeste. One touch.
Go hard,
Chelsea.
Celeste.
Go, Chelsea.
That hard.
Go. Shoot it.
There you go. Good.
Hey, go throw it in, Olivia. Go throw it in. Chelsea, get back. Get back.
Junior.
Ask for it.
Junior.
Nadia, quick. You have to play quick.
Now go that way. Now go.
Quick.
Come on. Hey, pay attention. Don't be paying attention. Yeah, pay attention to here.
Down the line, Nadia. Go down the line. Nadia, go that way. Quick. Skill. Go to it.
Go, Junior.
Now.
I'll
Now,
step.
Chelsea. Good. Go, Chelsea.
You gotta
Go,
use your
Chelsea.
outstep, son.
Shoot it. Go to it. Nadia, we're thinking about it too much, okay? I need you to play quick. You got that?
Junior.
Push up. Olivia, push up.
Celeste, go to the other side.
Push up more. Push up. Go. Pressure that.
Go.
Get ready,
Down
Chelsea.
here.
Get ready.
Go, Celeste.
Hit. Go. Dribble. Good idea. Get back.
Quickly.
All right,
Go, Junior.
Get back.
Celeste, move up.
Quickly. Go, Junior. Turn and go. Get your good feet. Don't look at it.
One touch. Shoot it.
Come on, Celeste.
Quick, Olivia. Go. Go, Nadia. Go,
Now both of
Nadia.
you. Junior, stay up.
Our ball.
Hey.
Our ball, Olivia.
When the
Our
ball
ball,
comes, you
Olivia.
have to look at the
Quick.
ball, okay? Focus on the ball, always. And when you
Right.
open, and then open up
You
and
got,
watch, okay?
you got Zion, Nadia, if you get it.
Get on him, Celeste. Get on him, Celeste.
Control it,
Get
do
on
a
him,
skill.
Celeste. Hey, that's good, dude.
Come on.
Hurry. He's there.
Skill.
Go, Junior, go.
I'll
step. Shoot.
Ah.
Go to it. Let it go.
Yeah, use your skills, Junior.
Junior, outside of the foot. Out
Down
step.
the line. Nadia.
Junior, stay up. Stay out, Junior, this way.
You got to come
Junior,
Zion, quick.
don't get too close to Cookie.
Olivia,
Right
come
there.
on,
That's
Olivia.
good.
Chelsea,
That's good.
push up a little bit.
That's good.
Right there.
You ready to go, Celeste?
Go. Switch it.
Yeah, come on. Go, Junior.
Go.
Go, Junior.
Chelsea. Go, Chelsea.
Use your body now.
Yes.
Go.
Change direction. Go to it.
Get close to her.
Olivia, stay back. Nadia, Chelsea, stay here.
No,
Chelsea,
hey, get away,
Olivia,
get
Olivia,
away,
play back. Hurry.
Get away.
Stay right here, Chelsea. Win it.
No, not you. Shoot, Cookie.
Get ready to go up there, Chelsea. Get ready.
Big kick,
Nadia,
big
scoot
now.
back a little bit. Win it.
Go, Junior.
Let's go.
Junior. Control it. Junior. That's why you stay up, Nico. You have to stay up.
Zion. Our ball. Zion.
Quickly, Junior. Junior, quickly.
Quick, down the line. Switch it
got
now,
thrown.
Nadia.
Back up.
Go, Chelsea. Again.
Hey, Junior. Hey, don't get too close to there. There's too many people there.
Chelsea, go up a little bit.
That's not a throwing, ref.
Go, Chelsea. Nadia,
Let go, let
keep
go,
going,
let go,
girl.
Let go.
Hey, he's throwing the ball like this.
Go back. Hey, Chelsea, don't come back.
Get it, go, kid, Junior.
Hey, Junior, go. Lucas,
Turn
look
around,
at Junior
turn
now.
around.
Hurry.
Kyla, Chelsea, behind you. Go to it.
There you
Go
go.
to it.
One touch. Ah! Hey, Junior, one touch. Pound it in there, okay? You don't have time to dribble, okay? One touch. Pound it in there.
Okay. Turn around. Get somebody. Get a blue. Now go get it.
Come on. Look up. Go, Zion, go. Ready, Chelsea. Now shoot it.
Nice.
Don't stop, Zion. Chelsea, stay
One
your
touch.
side.
One touch.
Okay. Take it. Quickly,
Turn
man.
around.
Now.
Turn around.
Look who you're kicking
Pass.
to.
Look for the pass. Go,
Hit
go,
hard.
Olivia.
Good.
Hey, Lucas, find that angle so he can match it up, okay? Turn around.
Go, Chelsea.
1, 2.
Go, Chelsea.
Now. Yeah, just stay there.
Hey, why you
If they had what play up there, you use it. Okay?
Chelsea, look over there, like, look at the ball. Look at them. Zion, why you going to Zion? Stay to your side.
You got Celeste? Hit Celeste.
Back,
Hit
Chelsea.
Celeste.
Hey,
Hit Celeste.
ready, Junior? Go.
Go Celeste.
So it is, Zion.
Only
Hey,
plays 20
pay
minutes.
attention.
20-minute half set.
Marcus, get somebody. Over here. Celeste.
Throw in.
Throw it. Quickly.
Hurry.
Johnny, get ready.
Get back,
Go.
Zion.
Now, go.
Get back. Nadia, get back.
Let it go. Hit it. Harder, Celeste.
Dribble.
Control. You got to control. That's what happened. Finish it. Oh. Celeste, get now.
Go.
Get Celeste out.
Don't stop. Chelsea,
Relax.
Chelsea,
Control it.
Go to it, Chelsea.
Now, pass.
Nadia, put your foot on there.
Where you at, Cookie?
Zion. Chelsea,
Now,
play
Cookie, get in
wide.
there. Good, Cookie.
Chelsea.
Get somebody. Celeste,
Celeste
get
behind
somebody.
you.
Celeste,
Olivia,
get
push
somebody.
up, Olivia.
Hey, get over here. Don't go back.
Olivia, to the line.
Look, they got one there. You can beat that
Right
one.
there,
okay?
not too much.
You
Hey,
got to control.
look at the guy.
Celeste.
Boy, hey,
What are you doing?
Olivia.
Get somebody.
This way. This
Celeste.
way.
Get number 6. There you go.
Down the line.
Stay by her.
Go to it, Chelsea.
Go, Celeste.
Go, Chelsea.
Okay, take it. Go. Hey, go there.
Go.
Bring the ball, Jenny. Let's go.
Get back, Chelsea. Get
Go,
back.
keep on going.
Get back,
Look at Jenny,
Nadia,
look at Jenny.
get back.
Let it go, Jenny. Let it go. Now go.
One touch.
Good try, Jenny.
Come on, man. Matthew.
Okay, he's 7 weeks.
Hey, come on.
You play front, that's fine.
Okay, you go to that.
Okay, get back.
Get right there.
Get back.
Let it bounce, Jenny. Let it bounce. Look at the ball. Control. Finish it.
Oh,
That's all right. Good job. Let it go.
let go.
Throw it out, Cookie. Throw it in.
Come on, quick. Zion, quick. Throw it.
Back up.
Now throw it again.
Throw in, come on. Hey, Ref.
Up. Ref.
Yes, go.
Up. Nadia, come on. Zion, stay in the middle.
Rest
That's
up.
there. Run, Matthew.
Celeste. Get the water. Good job. You almost had a goal.
Keep it going, Cookie. Flag.
Go.
Flag, Cookie. Use your left foot.
Hurry up.
Back up. Yes, sir, back up.
You want somebody to get on
Good
someone?
up, Olivia. Good up, Olivia. Win it, Zion!
Go in, Cookie, quickly!
Go to it, Olivia.
Go in,
Get
Cookie,
it.
go in! Get over there!
Get back,
Yes, sir.
get back.
Yes, sir.
Junior!
Matthew, get
Junior!
back, Matthew.
Go!
Yes, sir.
Now!
Matthew, get
Now!
back.
Now!
Zion, get back. Go to it.
Left foot.
That's okay, that's okay. Don't look at me. Look at the ball, okay? You
Hey,
did
good
good.
job, Junior. Keep up the pressure.
Hey,
Junior. Yeah, out, Junior.
if I tell you,
His rib.
Cookie, if I can't throw it, you just throw it in, okay?
Junior's grabbing his rib.
Matthew. Matthew.
Who played four? I don't know. Okay, look. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Help, quick.
Go get it. Yes. One touch. Get it one touch. Get it hard.
Lucas.
Yeah. Finish it.
Go, Chelsea, don't
Finish it. Corner.
Rest up.
Can we step on the corner?
Okay.
Hey, Cookie. We got a corner, baby. Come on, think. Junior. Junior. Get in the goal. Get in the goal. Everybody in the goal.
their ball. What are we doing?
Well done, boys.
Zion, get
Try to cover it in there, Cookie. You did it before. Eye of the ball. Eye of the ball. Eye of the ball.
There you go.
Oh, ho, ho. I love it. So let's go.
You want to take this guy out too? He said he can play defense.
So play set. Okay. When I get on the next side.
You ready? Right now.
Same thing, Cookie. Lift it up,
Get
Cookie.
in
Lift
the
it up.
middle, get in the middle.
Lift it up high. Go high. Oh, that's too high.
Quick.
I love it, but
Matthew, throw it in,
that's too
Matthew.
good.
Nice, give us a sub.
Stop, please.
Chelsea, go down the line. No, Chelsea. You play wide, Chelsea.
You got Junior. You got Junior.
You don't play on this side with Junior in it? Right here, okay?
Back it up, boy. Back it up.
Back up.
Chelsea, wide.
Hold on there for a minute, Junior. We'll get you out in a minute.
Ball, Zion. Matthew, go up.
Hey, Junior, back up.
Are you ready?
Remember, if she back there, you can do it. Hey, who's got this one? Who's got that one?
You
Cookie?
suck.
Look at the ball. Hurry. Guy, you got Junior now.
Go to it. Go to it.
Really?
Look up. Go, Junior. Go.
One touch.
There you go. Get in it.
Got it?
Okay, here we go.
Junior, come on. You can play on the right side. Hey,
Go, Papa.
you come in.
In the front. I thought you said you play forward.
As soon as you get the ball, what do
Yeah, you can play on this side, but I want you up front. Junior. When you get don't look at
you got it? You can take it.
Okay.
You ready?
You be defense in.
Hey, I need you to go back with that umbrella. Put it on the floor. What
He
about
said
this?
he's not good at defense.
I thought you said. What? You wanted to play. Go get it. Go get it. I'm gonna stop this.
Quick. Play it.
Good.
Go, Matthew.
There you go. There you go.
Throw it in.
Yeah, so what you do.
You ready? Axel. Hey, pay attention.
You suck. Scoot up.
Play
Scoot
where
up.
Matthew's at. That side.
There
Get
you
back,
go.
Matthew. Go to
Good.
it. Go.
Look at the ball. Look at the ball.
Go, Matthew. Look up.
Keep on
Go fast.
attacking. Watch the pass.
Now get it. There you go. Get it again.
Dribble.
Get
Watch
it.
the ball.
Get out.
Get it again.
Keep on the
Get
ball.
it again. Don't be afraid. There you go. Hey, tornado, come here right quick.
Go, ref. Come on.
Hurry up. Come here.
Go to the middle.
Come here, quick.
Hurry, come on. Tornadoes, come on.
Here. You understand English? Hey, don't ever be afraid, man. You just go up and beat them, okay? Go.
Go.
Back up a little bit.
Back up. You said back up.
Right there. When he touches the ball, go get it.
Play it.
When he touches the ball, go get it. Go get it.
Axel.
Go get it. There you go. Go get it
Pressure,
again.
beat by the pressure.
Go get it again.
Go.
Go get it.
Go, Axel.
Hurry. There you go,
Stop,
buddy.
Axel.
There you
Go,
go,
Chelsea.
bud. Yes, I love that defense.
Olivia,
So
come
remember,
on.
anytime they touch the ball first, you go out there after that ball. Okay? A lot of players don't. A lot of people don't do that. Go.
Go to it, Axel.
Okay, everybody mark up. Mark up, Cookie.
D.
Axel, you're on the other side, Axel.
Go get it.
Hey, lay
Chelsea, you can't pick it up.
Come in. Look at hurry.
Hey.
Axel, you're on the other side.
Go.
Go. Really, dude? Drag your toe. Really?
Back up.
20 left. Practice.
Axel, you're on that side.
You know better.
Mija.
City.
Sarbo,
Hold on,
let's go.
Mija.
Hurry.
Hey, go
Over
mark,
there,
start marking,
all the
bro.
way over there. Nadia, let's go.
Stay there. Stay there.
Back up.
Go down the line. Nadia. Chelsea. Nadia on that side.
Go.
Come on, go.
Pass, go.
Let's go. Go to it.
Pass the shit. There you go.
Go to it, Axel.
Good. Kick it hard.
Go, Nadia, go.
Hard. Go, kick it
Still.
harder.
Go to it,
Left
Axel.
foot. Left foot.
Hey, Junior, get some water. Okay? Your wrist hurting?
There you go. Good job.
Go, Axel.
Good. Cookie.
Axel.
Come up a little bit, Cookie.
Back up. Tornado,
Quick.
back up.
Ask for Nadia. Go, Chelsea. Get ready. Olivia, get up. Olivia, get up. Olivia.
Go get up.
To the line.
Go throw it in, bro.
Axel.
Lucas, throw.
Get back.
Get out, JP, all the time. JP, if they got a girl back there, you go back there too. Yeah, look, JP, go.
Go. That's all you, JP.
Now, Olivia, now.
There he goes.
Oh. Hey, Yusuf. Good job. Keep it up,
Come
okay?
here, buddy.
Axel, wide.
That's what I'm talking about. You go out there and have fun, okay? You don't let nobody be afraid of you.
Quick.
Don't let nobody. You be strong.
Dribble.
Go get it.
Go. Go, Axel. Go, Axel.
Go and get that.
Now.
Go get it. Hurry up. Get him.
Watch that ball.
Sarbo, Chelsea. Axel.
Go back up.
Throw it in, Chelsea. Axel.
Okay, let's go. JP. Go get it. Yeah, go get it. Don't be afraid. Hard.
Nadia.
Go, JP. Go, JP. Go. There you go, JP.
Wait.
Hey, where the hustle?
Okay, get somebody. Get a blue. JP, you stay back, JP.
That's like you take off down the line. That's like you have to
Okay, Cookie, you got one. Mark up.
That means you have to
Stay here, JP. Stay here, JP. Stay here, JP. Stay here.
Go, Chelsea.
JP, stay up front. Come on.
Look up, Axel. Quick.
Quick, get the ball.
Quick, Axel.
Good job.
Hey, JP, stay up here. I don't want to see you back here.
If you throw a Cookie, hurry up and get back.
Go, JP,
JP,
scoot up.
Chelsea.
Go, JP. Oh, handball. Cookie, take it.
Put your hands down.
Hey, hands be too tight.
You know what? I can direct.
Ready?
I know. Let's say
Hey, Chelsea, get
It's a direct, right?
Chelsea, get in front of the ball.
Direct kick. No. Finish it.
Finish it.
Go, dribble.
Handball.
Quick, Axel.
We'll take it.
JP, get up there. Hurry up. Pay attention.
There you go.
There it is, JP. There it is, JP. JP, you gotta want it. It's gotta come from here.
Chelsea, over here again.
Pay attention to what you're doing. Hey, JP, stay right there. Go get the ball. Go get it. Go get it. Get ready. Go get it.
Axel, come on.
Oh, wait.
Go, Zion, that side.
JP, if they continue doing that, go at them. Stay right there. You're good. Stay there.
How many times do I have to take?
Okay, no, she got. Yeah.
There's no reason for you to come this way.
Control that.
You got time.
Start realizing.
Get JP.
Nice.
Good. Good job. Hey, that's what's gonna happen when you leave.
Chelsea, control it. Does that make sense? Yes? Sit down over there. Let's go. Nadia, Chelsea, get ready. Zion, get back! Hurry!
Lucas, get it.
Quick,
hey,
Zion.
JP, scoot up.
Go in the middle.
Go
JP.
back.
Go in the middle.
Go back.
Go. Hey, hit JP.
Go.
Finish it. You got it? Look for him. Don't look. That's 2 times you did over there. There's people over there. Pay attention.
Chelsea, open up.
Okay. Get somebody.
No, it's our ball.
Lucas, corner, go.
Get back.
Yusuf,
Who's
get in the middle. Yusuf.
Get back.
Get back here, number 3.
Chelsea,
Number
get
3.
back.
Elias, finish it.
Zion, why
Don't do that no
over
more.
there?
Look at that. Ain't nothing there. Stay right there in that area. So if you got 2 blues, come. 2 blues, you finish. What do you do?
Chelsea, put your feet down.
Hey,
Open
you
wide.
go back to the middle, right?
Stay wide.
Quickly.
Down the
All
line.
right, let's get that ball.
Quick.
With the ball, JP.
Quick, Chelsea.
With the ball, JP. Go. Control that.
Right.
All right, throw it in. JP, stay there. Get back there.
They're run now.
Can you throw it to the goal?
Get ready. Get back. Get back. Get back. Chelsea.
Down, JP.
Get in there.
Oh, good job. Corner again.
Chelsea, leave the ball alone, Chelsea.
Come on, guys. Hats on. Get water. Good job, guys. Good job. Give it a-
Hey, come here. Give me a ball. Oh, ¿cómo está, amiga?
Junior, JP.
Aquí en todo el mundo estaban
When Lucas. No, you stay with the team. Junior, JP.
Este equipo es
Always stay up in the back here, okay? That way Lucas can feed you the ball, and that way you can do one touch up, okay? Guys, make sure you pass the ball, attack the ball, always keep an eye on that ball too, okay? You guys are doing good. You guys got to keep it up, okay? You guys are dominating, okay? I think Celeste, you can go back out. We'll start off how we start off in the beginning, okay? So you just came out, you go sit down and get water, okay? Let's get started. You go talk to mom real quick, okay? I don't know. The kids play first.
Yes. Hey, actually, man, you have to pay attention. You want You got that? Both of them?
Yeah.
Actually,
JP and
Matthew, Junior, get in there.
okay, not good control, but they're always open.
They're not